This week, Nathaniel is making chicken à la crème for his Duke of Edinburgh Award. Hi Nathaniel, how are you doing?
Good, thank you. Yeah.
Have you had a good week?
Yes, I have. Thank you.
Good stuff, good stuff. So, what are we making today?
We're making chicken à la crème as requested by my sister many times.
Wow. So you're going to have to learn it, and then once you've learned it, you're going to make it for her quite often.
Oh no.
I think the whole family loves it.
Yeah.
Great. So we're going to make the sauce first of all.
Yeah.
And the sauce involves onions,
Yeah.
mushrooms. As we're making the sauce, we'll explain. Okay, so would you like to cut the onions into strips as thin as possible? You hold the onion very firm. Yeah, remember the lever movement.
Yeah.
You place the end of the knife on the board and then cut. So it's a family favorite, isn't it?
Yeah.
Great stuff. What's your favorite food?
Pasta and meatballs.
What we made last week or the week
yeah.
before. Oh, fantastic. I like it very much. Right, what we're going to do now is fry the onions. So we need to heat the pan a bit first. You remember what I said, like the oil spreads, you put a lot less oil. Okay, so voila. So a couple of spoonfuls of oil. There we are. Okay, so can you put the onion in now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Great. So we need a spoon to mix things. Yeah. So leave them to soften on a low heat. And the next thing we're going to do is cut the mushrooms. So it's best to use the big knife.
Yeah.
That's how we want them.
Okay.
Like sliced thickly.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Be careful. Always place the knife first and then cut. That's perfect. Now that they've turned a bit blonde, can you see? Like a little bit. You can add the mushrooms. There you are. Do you like mushrooms?
Yes, I do.
Is there anything you don't like?
Sprouts.
Sprouts. Sometimes if they're cooked too long, they are horrible.
I think I had them once, but they might have just been dodgy ones.
Or dodgy ones, eh?
Yeah.
Dodgy sprouts. This is fresh thyme. Try to make sure you keep the stuff inside the pan.
There's always one that comes out.
Oh yes, always.
And then
Yeah, and mix it a little bit. Do you know how to make a white sauce?
I presume it's got wine in it.
White sauce, not white sauce.
Oh. Yeah.
It's got butter, flour and milk.
Yeah.
But here, instead of doing that, we'll make the white sauce in here. Right, we use a fork. And about a tablespoonful of flour, plain flour. And we mix it, and that creates like a roux. What they call a roux is like a mixture of flour and butter.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we'll add, we said, half a glass full of dry white wine to start. Okay. And you see that starts thickening the sauce. And we add some chicken stock. add the milk, which is making the white sauce.
Yeah.
And next we'll add some double cream to finish off the sauce and let it simmer, and it will get thicker and thicker. So what we need now is a pinch of black pepper. Yeah, go on. Let's see if you can use that. Don't drop it inside the sauce. Can you open the cream? Right. Pour some until I say stop. Stop. Perfect. And that's it really.
Yeah.
The sauce, the a la creme sauce is ready. So again, with the flat area knife, cut it so that you get the same thickness.
Okay.
Okay. Hold the knife really well. Okay.
Okay.
Hold it down. Perfect. That's better.
Yeah.
Really good. We're gonna do the chicken. So we need to heat the pan. It's nice and hot. Put a little bit of oil.
Yeah.
And then start cooking the chicken. Okay.
Okay.
You wanna do that? And we need to add a bit of salt and pepper.
Yeah.
You wanna put some pinch of pepper, please? That's perfect. And a pinch of salt. All over. Great stuff. Great. So we're gonna add a bit more white wine to the sauce.
Yeah.
That's to finish off. Once the chicken is ready, we add the sauce to the chicken and finish it off, and it's ready to serve. Yeah, and cut it in half. Hold it with a fork, please. And see if it's pink in the middle, it's not ready. Perfect. That's it.
Yeah.
The chicken's ready. Now we add the sauce to the chicken. Oops. There we are. Perfect. Yeah, so turn it right down. So the chicken is ready.
Yeah.
We add a bit of parsley. Mix it well. And that's it.
Take a quick picture from Duke of Edinburgh.
Great stuff. That's perfect. Please. Further in. Right, knife and fork. All right, let's have a look.
That's lovely. I see why Emily likes it so much.
Yeah, now you know how to make it, so you'll make it for her as often as she wants.
Every
Great
day,
stuff.
every meal.